For years, the biggest names in smart home security have been playing a massive trick on us. They sell you a premium camera, but what you're really buying is a monthly bill, just to see who stole your packages. For a month now, I've been testing a camera that seriously exposes that ridiculous business model. This is the Tapo C465. It's the third generation of this camera style from Tapo, and it's been one of my favorite designs since I first laid eyes on it. It requires zero drilling, zero wiring, and most importantly, zero monthly fees to use its best features. So today, I'm going to show you whether this is the ultimate ring killer, or if you're better off letting big tech drain your wallet. Let's give her.
Automate Your Life is filmed in front of a pre-recorded studio audience. It helps his confidence.
Let's talk about why people really dislike installing outdoor cameras. It usually involves ladders and power drills, and you're going to put holes into your wall, and they're usually permanent. If you rent, you already know the pain I'm talking about. You're forbidden to drill into the siding or the brick on the home. And that means you either end up using like a window mounted camera that doesn't work at night, or you just go without security. Tapo bypassed this problem for renters. This is what's called a mag cam. Basically, it can snap onto its mount, just like that. So you can mount it at any angle. It also has a couple of standard thread spots. Just the way this whole mount works meant I could use these little vinyl siding clips. I've been using these on a few cameras, but they're especially good with this camera. They just slip under the lip right here. That's it. And now I can angle this any way I'd like. And of course, you know, when you move out, you take this with you. You do no damage, you get your full damage deposit back, maybe. And because of that standard thread connection that you have on this, you can use other style of mounts. I've used like Gorilla Pod style. I'll put a few of my favorites down in the description. You can check them out. Now I wanted to do a direct comparison for you today. I wanted to put the Tapo C465 up against a battery powered indoor/outdoor 4K camera from Ring or Nest, but I can't because it's 2026 and they still don't make one. The closest you can get is the Google Nest Cam Battery Outdoor, which is so many years old, costs $180 and gives you just 1080p resolution. Or you can get the new Ring's Outdoor Cam Plus for about $100, which is 2K. Not only are Google and Amazon losing in basic specifications, but this is the difference from 1080p to 4K footage in 2026. Zooming in, you'll see how these cameras just can't keep up with the same zoom on the 4K camera from Tapo. Oh, and then the big guys have the nerve to charge you up to $130 a year to unlock the cloud storage for the videos you thought you already owned. And guess what? That expensive subscription doesn't get you a solar panel either. You still either have to climb a ladder every few months to charge the thing or buy an extra add-on. The Tapo C465 has an integrated adjustable solar panel right on top. You don't have to drill a second mount or route a wire. You angle the top panel toward the sun and you walk away. I put this up outside my home a month ago at about a 40% charge. I live in Canada where the winter weather is a little crazy and the sun goes into hiding for half the year, but even with those dark, freezing days and taking tons of 4K recordings, this camera's charged itself up to 84%. But incredible hardware doesn't mean anything if the camera alerts you every time a tree branch moves. This is one of those pain points where Google and Ring trap you into their subscriptions. They want you to pay a monthly fee so your phone doesn't buzz when a car drives by. The C465 processes its AI detections locally on the camera itself. It detects people, vehicles, and animals for free. And because it doesn't have to bounce that video clip to a server in California to figure out what it's looking at, the notification hits your phone instantly. Now, I tested the AI accuracy by changing my detection zones to include and then exclude the very busy sidewalk in front of my house. A lot of cameras get this wrong today, and Tapo's lineup has consistently impressed me with this. When the sidewalk was excluded, nothing. No recordings unless someone was on my property. But the second I included it, it flawlessly recorded every kid and dog walker that went by. And when I later included the street, it successfully recorded all the cars going by. Plus, the Starlight Color Night Vision pulls in so much light through the large aperture on this camera, so the AI has no problem identifying things in the dark. Now, this night vision is a spot where Tapo really leads a lot of the industry. There's a couple of features that we kind of take for granted these days on these kinds of cameras, but they've really impressed me with the C465. Hello there.
Hello there. Hello there.
Now that was incredibly fast and so clear. This is a loud speaker, incredibly clear. I've also been really impressed with how it can actually pick up my voice through the camera's microphone and bring it back. So two-way communication has been amazing. If someone ever takes your camera, there's an automatic setting that you can turn on, and this thing will blare out an incredible siren. We've got, oh man. And you saw this, but you know, the spotlight is actually quite bright. It's a really nice one, goes on for 5 minutes. These are simple features, but super important for how the camera will protect your home. And when it comes to storing those recordings, you own your data. A Google Nest camera will temporarily save some clips onto the camera itself, but this runs out after a few hours. Watch what happens with the Tapo. I'm gonna go unplug my home router right now, and the C465 will keep recording flawlessly to the micro SD card. It's not a new feature, but it is important. If you link the camera to the H500 hub, the hub creates its own backup wireless connection to the camera. So even if your house Wi-Fi is dead, the camera is still securely backing up footage inside your home. So if someone managed to steal your camera off your vinyl siding, your footage is safe. The H500 is a separate purchase. It's just a really good option for Tapo cameras right now, and it does have a bunch of other benefits. So I'll tell you a little bit later in the video how you can learn more about this, so just hang on. Now, retrieving that footage off a micro SD card or the H500 is easy. It's simple to navigate through your clips, and downloading full 4K resolution clips is as easy as this. Now, lots of cameras hold back the higher resolution clips for a subscription, but because this recording is happening locally, you're not held back at all. Not everything is perfect, and I'm not here to convince you that it is, okay? There's a couple of warnings I gotta give you. If you're a hardcore smart home builder using Apple HomeKit, Homey, Home Assistant, or you need an RTSP stream for a system like Frigate, don't buy this camera. It doesn't integrate. However, if you're an Amazon Miss A household, this thing is a dream. It integrates beautifully over the dual band Wi-Fi, the motion detection is fast, and you can pull the feed up on your Echo Shows in seconds. It also works well as a motion or a battery trigger for routines in Samsung SmartThings, and Google has the basics too. If you're using the Tapo app or you already have Tapo cameras, it's obviously the best situation for you. If you're a renter, if you refuse to pay a monthly fee for your own security footage, or if you're just tired of Google and Ring giving you outdated hardware, the Tapo C465 is brilliant. So check out the links below, pick up one or a few of these to put around your home. And if you want to see how to level this up and other Tapo cameras even more, you need to check out my full review of the Tapo H500 hub right there. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and of course, live smart.